Let me be honest with you for a second. How many times have you told yourself, from tomorrow, I'll wake up early? You set the alarm for 5 a.m., but when it rings, your brain says, just 5 more minutes. And those 5 minutes turn into 2 hours. Then the whole day you feel guilty. You start thinking, why am I so lazy? But here's the truth, you're not lazy. You just haven't learned the right system yet. Today, I'll share 6 simple steps that will help you wake up at 4:30 a.m., even if you slept late without struggle. Let's start. Step 1. Be smart with your alarm. Don't keep your phone next to your bed. Place it far away, so when the alarm rings, you have to get up and walk. That small movement instantly breaks your sleep. Also, name your alarm something meaningful. It could be a motivational line or a song that reminds you why you're waking up. Hearing motivation first thing in the morning shocks your brain awake and gives energy. If keeping your phone far feels hard, buy a simple alarm clock. Bonus, instant digital detox. Step 2. Win the night to win the morning. Your morning actually starts the night before. If your night routine is messy, discipline in the morning is almost impossible. 30 minutes before sleep, put your phone away. Dim the lights and write tomorrow's plan in a notebook. Just one question: what will I do after waking up? This small habit programs your brain and gives direction in the morning. And yes, even if you slept late, still wake up. Your body adjusts in 2-3 days. That discomfort is what upgrades your level. Step 3. First 10 minutes decide everything. When the alarm rings, don't touch your phone. Drink a glass of water, cold or warm. Turn on the lights and move your body. Do 10 jumping jacks or walk around the room twice. Simple science. The first 10 minutes decide whether your day is productive or dull. Water plus light plus movement equals instant energy boost. Step 4. Have a strong reason to wake up. Nobody wakes up without a reason. When the alarm rings, your brain asks, why should I get up? You need a reason strong enough to pull you out of bed. Workout, reading, or working on your dream project. Write it at night. Tomorrow morning I will do this. Your brain gets ready subconsciously, so in the morning your mind is prepared. Step 5. Miss one day. No guilt, bounce back. Everyone fails sometimes. Me, you, everyone. Rule is simple, never miss twice. Miss one day, fine. Miss 2 days, the habit starts breaking. Even if you failed yesterday, wake up today, even for 10 minutes. Getting back is the real win. Follow this cycle for 20-25 days, and discipline becomes automatic. Step 6. Reward yourself. Give yourself a reward after waking up early. Coffee, music, sunrise, anything you enjoy. Your brain should feel that waking up early is not punishment, but a reward. Earlier, I used to think waking up early was torture. But when I started my mornings with peaceful coffee and a book, it felt like a blessing. That one shift changed my life. Bonus, sleep better, not less. To wake up at 4:30, don't sacrifice sleep, improve it. Create a better sleep environment. Low lights, phone off, cool room, fixed bedtime. And before sleeping, don't think I have to wake up. Think I am already awake. The brain responds better to that command. One day will come when everyone else is sleeping, and you're working on your dreams. That's when you'll realize waking up early isn't just a habit. It's a superpower. Quick recap. Keep your phone away. Use alarms smartly. Plan your morning at night. Water plus light plus movement equals energy. Have a strong reason. No guilt, bounce back. Reward yourself and sleep right. Comment tomorrow 4:30 a.m. Club. And if you like the video, like, subscribe and share it. With that friend who always says, just 5 more minutes, grinning face with smiling eyes.